Hello guys, do you want to make some extra money just by copy and pasting the help of AI? Don't believe me. Look at these people. They are doing it, and they are making a living out of it. This guy made $31.8 thousand. This one made $17,000 and so on. Now you might ask what that easy money-making glitch is. It is called SchoolSolver.com, where answering questions becomes a rewarding endeavor. By signing up, selecting your preferred payment method, and leveraging AI technologies like ChatGPT and Quillbot, you can embark on an exciting journey of knowledge sharing while earning a handsome income. Signing up on SchoolSolver.com is your gateway to unlocking a world of knowledge and earning potential. Allow me to guide you through the straightforward registration process. Begin by visiting SchoolSolver.com and locating the Register button. Fill in your name, email address, and a secure password. After submitting, congratulations, you're now part of our vibrant community. Now go to My School Solver, My Account, and you can add the other info, like your name, profile photo, and description. But the most important is selecting a preferred payment method. This ensures seamless transactions when receiving your well-deserved earnings. They offer various options like PayPal and crypto, streamlining the payment process. Choosing your preferred method brings convenience and efficiency to your earning experience. Get ready to discover how to access the Answer Questions section, explore the wide variety of inquiries available, and learn about the potential for higher earnings. Let's dive in. Once you're signed up on SchoolSolver.com, it's time to explore the treasure trove of questions waiting to be answered. Let me show you how to navigate the question interface seamlessly. To access the questions, simply locate the Answer Questions section. You'll find it conveniently placed on the top left corner of your screen. Click on it and voila, a world of inquiries awaits you. Prepare to be amazed by the diverse range of topics from mathematics to literature, science to history. Excitingly, you'll also find higher-paying questions that offer a fantastic opportunity to boost your earnings. Keep an eye out for these valuable gems as you explore the interface. By selecting and answering these higher-paying questions, you not only showcase your expertise, but also maximize your earning potential on SchoolSolver.com. On SchoolSolver.com, urgent questions are like golden opportunities that require immediate attention. Let's explore why they hold such importance in your earning journey. Urgent questions are inquiries that require quick responses due to their time-sensitive nature. Students or individuals seeking assistance need timely solutions to their academic or knowledge-related queries. Prioritizing urgent questions not only helps those seeking answers promptly, but also offers distinct benefits for you. By addressing urgent inquiries, you position yourself for higher rewards as they often come with increased compensation. It's essential to respond promptly, showcasing your expertise and commitment to helping others. And there you have it. Addressing urgent questions on SchoolSolver.com brings significance, benefits, and increased rewards. So don't hesitate to jump in and respond promptly to these time-sensitive inquiries. It harnesses the potential of AI through ChatGPT, an incredible tool for generating accurate answers to questions. Let's explore how this AI technology revolutionizes the way we respond. ChatGPT is an advanced AI tool that utilizes sophisticated algorithms and language models to generate precise answers based on the questions asked. Using AI technology like ChatGPT offers significant advantages. It enables quick response times, allowing you to provide answers promptly. I can handle a vast number of inquiries efficiently, ensuring that more questions can be addressed effectively and much more. For example, let's try to answer this question. Explain the rise of popular politics during the 1820s. For this discussion activity, address the following. Why do some history? As we can see, explain what you want specifically. Now go to ChatGPT. Copy and paste the question on ChatGPT and add the paragraph too. Now let it do its magic. As you can see, it answered the question instantly and correctly. Now copy and paste the answer and collect the money. Exactly, it is as easy as that. Copy and paste. Now do that as much as you like and you can make as much as these guys. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has shed light on the remarkable features of SchoolSolver.com. So why wait? Go ahead, join the community, and make some extra money.